Nowadays, the mining and naval industries in our country and in the world, they face a lot of challenge. They need a lot of energy. In that case, the diesel generators provide a good option because they need low space and you can transport easily. But the problem of the diesel generators, they produce a lot of CO2 and they produce noise. So that is not good for the workers in the operation. So in that point, we have a good chance. Our project is focused to provide a new option of energy to this industry. The name of this project is Foldable Solar Panel. We include the origami pattern in the process of the manufacturing of the solar panel. As you can see here, this is a basic prototype. We provide the characteristic of the origami that we can fold it and unfold it in just one movement. The advantage of this design is the production of the solar panel is just one piece. We develop a real scale prototype. As you can see here, it's just one piece. So we can provide this advantage of one movement to the real scales and commercial size of solar panels for the industry. In our country, we have a great solar potential power that we are not using in our industry. So these projects provide a new options for the naval and mining industry to be more sustainable because renewable energies doesn't produce environmental pollution. So the project is focusing provide a new option for these industries to be developed.